What's up guys, welcome back to another brand new video guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can watch Ultra Mag Room versus if. So I have a server. Last week we did KSI versus Swans event successfully. So there's 3k plus members in this server. It's currently new server, live server. So hope in our server there will be a lot of people to talk to, chat and blah blah blah, you know what I mean. So it's officially a fight week. Join the server and there you can find where it is. Yeah, there it is, boxing chat and boxing stream link. So on fight night there will be link. We also stream a lot of weekly streams. On weekend we stream boxing UFC events. Yesterday we did UFC Paris event, so join in the server. It's an active server and we do a lot of sports pay-per-view events. Bye, see you over there.